Alrighty, morning everyone, and welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel on another beautiful day. Today we're gonna talk about this wall. No, obviously not. We're gonna talk about some scrap that I left in this abandoned factory. And we're also gonna talk about all the stuff that I found here. How much is what actually worth, how much money I made off of this stuff, and yeah, why I actually started doing this probably. So, first of all, we're gonna talk about the stuff that I left behind. Stuff like this, massive pieces of rebar, probably 5 kilos a piece. I left that there. Why did I leave that there? Because I would have to bring an angle grinder and all kinds of stuff. It's not really worth it for me. Also left these pipes. Was that a smart idea? Probably not, because these pipes probably weigh 50 kilos a piece and I would just only need to unbolt them. But for now it is what it is. So I left those. And why am I actually talking about this stuff as if it would be gone? Because that's actually what it is. This stuff is gonna get torn down in a couple of, well, probably weeks actually. And so, oh my god, honestly, I just found these pieces of wire. So we are gonna scrap them out. That's for sure. Got my little pieces of cheap side cutters here. We're definitely gonna cut those off. In today's episode of Adventuring an Abandoned Factory, we are scrapping some more wire. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? Oh man, that's tough. Oh, can I let me pull this out? I can't. Oh my god. I just pulled it out, people. Look at that. I'm caught up in something. Dang it. Oh my god, what's that? What's that? There's a blooming blackberry. Oh my god, now my shoe's open. I'll be right back. Okay, after I was violently attacked by a piece of wood, we are now gonna pull out this wire. Here we go. My god. Oh my god, look at that. This is actually a really long piece. People. Oh my god. This is gonna be worth a real good amount of money. Look at that. I'm trying to not. Oh my god. People, look how long this goes. It's already like 20 meters. I'm absolutely amazed right now, I've got to admit. I'm absolutely amazed. Look at how long it is. Look at how long this is. Oh my god, people. Look at this. Okay, so people, this is absolutely crazy. I was actually not planning on scrapping anything now, but look at this. This wire that we just found, I pulled it out 50 meters in that direction. I already coiled up like 50 meters. It just keeps on going. We are gonna make some really good money right here. I mean, look at that. I'm just gonna start pulling on it now. Look at this. Look at this. It just goes on. Look. Oh, now this is the end. Like, okay, come on. Right when I started filming. Anyways, okay. But we've got another piece here. This piece is about the same thickness. And we're gonna pull this out now. Look at that. Honestly, I'm gonna use a piece of cloth or something like that to cover my hands, because otherwise they're gonna be absolutely filthy after I did that, and I still have to press buttons on my camera. So give me a second. Okay, so I cleaned up my hands like a tiny bit. I've got a piece of paper here now that I'm gonna use to hold onto the wire, and we are just gonna pull this out now all the way to where the other coil of wire is. We're gonna coil it all up. And my goodness, we have just made some really good money. So here we go, let's do it. Okay, let's see, where's the... There it is, there's the end of the wire. So we can just put this piece of paper around it. It wouldn't be necessary to do that, but honestly, scrapping is not the only thing I have to do today, so kind of protect my hands a little bit. Some gloves would have been nice, but I wasn't that smart, so let's pull some wire. Here we go. Wow. Like, I mean, look at that. Look at how far we already went, and the wire is all the way over there still. This is crazy, people. This is some crazy stuff. There we go. There's the coil of wire from the other wire. Still going. We're still going. Still going. Okay, I think I popped out now. So, oh man, this is gonna be... Honestly, I'm just gonna let this dry here for now, because it's very... Yeah, this is really wet and muddy and stuff like that. And I'm gonna come around and pick that up when I coil up the other wire, because that's what we're gonna do now. As you can see there's our coil of wire. Well, the first one anyways. Ah, I forgot my side cutters over there. So let's quickly grab my side cutters. I think that we are actually going to be able to make some really good money right now here. So this is at least going to be like, I don't know what, 20-30 bucks? Crazy, crazy. I didn't even plan on scrapping anything here. But, you know, someone clearly had other plans. Absolutely crazy. So actually, we're going to use the side cutters now and pull the rest of this out. This actually works really well, which is kind of nice. Good stuff, look at that. That's all of it. Okay, so we are now going to have to coil this all up. And I'm not going to do that on camera, because I can't start the camera and stop it when my hands are completely covered in mud. So I'm going to put my side cutters there. We're going to coil it all up, and I put the coils in the bucket, and then we'll be right back and I'll show you everything that I did. So, sounds like a plan? Sounds like a plan. Here we go. Alright people, we're back. Look at all the wire that we got. Look at all of that. Wow. That's gotta be at least 10 kilos. So 20 bucks. And it took me half an hour to get it out of there. That is really solid. Really, really solid. We really made some good money today. That is awesome. I wasn't even planning on making any money today. I was just planning on making a video for you about the places that I found wire at. And now you were able to witness exactly how I did that. That is really cool. I love that. And the wire dried up nicely. And so we won't have any problems taking that home with us. Really, really cool. I packaged it all up like that, you know, so that it can't unravel itself. So really good. Made a solid 20 bucks in like 30 minutes or something like that. Awesome. And we also cleaned the planet up a little bit more and got some more copper back into the economy. So all in all, completely and entirely extremely successful, and I'm very happy about it, that's for sure. So yeah, that is probably the end of this video. I might actually make another video at this place. Might as well make a series out of it, adventuring at the abandoned factory. So this is awesome. We made some really, really good money, and I'm very happy about it. So yeah, thank you very, very much for watching. If you've got any more questions whatsoever, write them in the comments below. If you just want to say hi, write that down there as well. I will be very happy to answer them, as always. If you want to, you can like the video or dislike it, whatever you might want to do. Give it a rating and stuff, and also you can subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any new uploads. And so yeah, I wish you all a fantastic week. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.